have I existed, knowing not life and tasting not death. For know ye,
Hey friends, this is going to be part 2 of the video I just posted earlier a few hours ago that should be right above this one, or right below this one. This is the rocker on the Chevy truck, and I'm going to show you how I've had to slice and dice, just like I did the other one. This one's no different. In every Chevrolet truck I've done, put these rockers on, they all need to be adjusted up there in the front. So let's show you what's going on.
For formless are we. Life have we not, but yet have existence, fuller and greater and freer than thee. Man is a flame bound to a mountain, but we in our cycle shall ever be free. Know ye, O man, that when ye have progressed into the cycles that lengthen above, life itself.
That is a piece of
the essence of soul. Then to me spoke the Lord of the Eights, saying,
do this.
all that ye know is but
This right here is a piece of copper
not as yet have
I
ye
put in there
touched
to
me.
close this
Where
gap.
light reigned supreme, came I into
And this piece here is going to bend back in.
but not as ye.
And I've got these two pieces
Not yet
here.
was my formless form formed. Know I not life, and know I not death.
These
Yet
two,
master
those
I
two
of
pieces
all
go
that
right
exists.
here.
Seek ye to find the path through the valley.
What I've had to do
that leads to the
is slice,
Spoke the
slice,
angel 9, saying,
slice,
"Seek ye to find the path
slice,
to beyond.
and
Not
slice.
impossible is it to grow to a
Push
consciousness above.
everything in this way a little bit
And one has become
and
all.
bend it in,
Know
or
ye the
and
barrier has lifted,
close it
and
in
ye are made
this
free
way
to grow that
to
from
replicate
form to the formless.
these lines here in the body, the lower A
Thus for
pillar.
ages I listened, learning the way
Now, I've
to
been
the
to
way.
many car shows and seen these cars and trucks where this area wasn't properly fit in. And it just is very, very obvious. It's very, very evident that that wasn't done correctly. So what I had to do is cut it and cut here, section it to bend it back a little bit. These right here are slices to bend these in, you know, these little tongues in. And what's going to happen now is I'm going to remove this. I've got a couple screws in here holding that in place, and the rocker is in the exact place it needs to be, because remember, the door was on here. I had the door on it. So it's right where it needs to be. So I'm going to pull the screws out. I'm going to pull the rocker out, drill these holes where the white marks are. Okay. And then dress the holes down. I'll paint the inside of the rocker panel in some paint, and the inside parts where I will weld, put the weld through primer. Up in here, when I pull these screws out, all these sections are set. I've already tacked it in. So I'll weld all that up, dress the welds down on the top and the bottom, and paint it. And then put it on. It'll go right on in place very nicely. And it will be perfect. It'll be perfect with the exception of just, it's going to need probably about 2 millimeters of body filler right here, just to bring this level. Or maybe I might, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to let the owner put the body filler on that corner, the cab corner. So, and what it looks like after I do that slicing, that's what it looks like after I do the slicing.
Great is the wisdom of the seven. Mighty are they from beyond. Manifest they through their power.
It just blends right in.
Hear ye these words of wisdom.
Also,
Hear ye and make them thine own.
Something interesting was
the key to beyond. Mystery is fit
this tab
and ye shall
that the fender mounts to,
find the deep buried wisdom.
because we have two layers or three layers of new metal. This is new metal. The one underneath it is new metal. This is the original tab, or the mounting tab. And, you know, the holes never lined up on the aftermarket metal, so I had to weld up the holes and then re-drill them after I place this bracket / tab, hold down tab in place, and then drill through and you know, make it so it fits properly. And as I said, I've seen a lot of people do these, and they don't finish it up really nicely, and so it looks really bad. It looks like doo-doo. So, but I want to show you right now the raw form, just what it looks like before I weld it up. But I'm not going to do any more today. I'm going to quit. I'm going to go home. Been here most of the day.
Holding the stars in their balance by the force of the primordial mist. Seek ye the flame of the earth.
So this is all part of the process to do.
Follow the three-cornered pathways until thou too art aflame.
Okay, folks, be good, be happy, and be grateful for everything. Grateful for everything. That's very critical. If you can be grateful for even the things that are not nice, even the things that are problematic to us, that cause us consternation and stress and worry, all that kind of stuff. If you can be grateful for everything, it's going to give you another leg up, another step up in terms of being better today than we were yesterday. That's today's word of wisdom. Okay? See ya. Bye-bye. Choose.